It's on action.
It's on. Right, you're going to need drill bits.
Okay.
You want these ones because they're sharp, not these ones with the spade end. Number plate, screwdriver,
Okay.
and a car.
Okay.
Take the screws out the back.
Okay. I'm getting a bit cold.
I told you it'd get cold. It won't be long.
Okay.
Take those screws out. Keep them to one side. If you've got a fitting kit, then you'll have black or yellow caps that go over the top. Where you put them depends on where the black or yellow is, obviously. So you don't want to put screws straight through here. So what you need to do is drill holes first. So find a drill that's about the same size as the holes that are already in your number plate and put that into the drill.
That's very loud, you know.
Put your old number plate on top of your new number plate. Drill through the existing holes.
I think you're going to damage the road.
If you don't drill holes first, what will happen is when you put the screw in, you'll crack the number plate.
Okay.
And that's going to be a bad day. So, number plate with 2 holes in.
Okay.
Simple, simple.
Simple,
Get your
simple.
screws back.
Get your screws back.
Peel the protective film off the front, if you haven't already done that.
There's some white stuff on the back.
That's supposed to be there.
Okay.
Put one screw in a hole. Line up with the hole that's already there. Screw it in a bit of the way. Get your other screw.
And why are you doing this anyway?
Line that up into the other hole. Do them up so that they're tight. Don't go mad. Just tight enough to make sure they don't fall off. Done.
Okay, well, you made it that much.
You can press stop now.